Well, it's very significant because it is a state funeral. This is a recognition, once again, by the democratic government of Serbia of the historic role and position of the royal family, Karađorđević. It will be the first time that King Peter and his wife, Queen Alexandra, and his mother, Queen Maria, will return to where King Alexander is buried and other ancestors of the Karađorđević family. So I think this is a wonderful recognition of the continuity of the Serbian government, of Serbian leadership, of the closeness that the dynasty has with the people as recognized by the government of Serbia.
Who is expected to attend the funeral of King Peter II, Queen Alexandra, and Queen Maria?
It is expected that representatives of the allied nations would be there. King Peter II was the king of Yugoslavia during World War II, an allied nation, and consequently we would expect that the representatives of the Allies, the British, the French, the United States would be there. There will certainly be heads and members of royal families. The royal King Peter was related to all of the main houses, royal houses of Europe. The